can't, because look, see,
and you can't turn it at all. It doesn't do shit.
no. You know this. You know what it is when this happens? It's the steering lock, the electronic steering lock.
Okay. Okay, you can't move it at all, eh?
No. I already saw that this is the might be the problem. Should I stay? Should I stay in the car or? Okay. All right. Troubles with the Mercedes. What the hell is that fucking clacking sound? Having fun. No crank, no start.
Put it in gear and put the handbrake, please.
Sure.
Like you think I'm a professional, I park like a champion.
Thank you very much for your, thank you very much for your professionalism. Park, right? Park in first gear?
Yes, please.
Okay, all right.
You can just watch it when you come out, just not to stand on the plate there. Sometimes it gets slippery.
The key, should I leave it here?
If the door doesn't lock. Sometimes, you know, they lock by themselves.
So do I give it?
Either give it to me, or if you're coming with me, right?
Yeah, I'm coming with you. Yeah.
Bring it with you.
Yeah. Okay.
You know what? Even with their small problems, they're still beautiful cars.
Yeah, it's a beautiful car. Yeah. Most definitely. Well, it didn't want to start, so I think it's the electronic steering lock. Electronic steering lock, ESL. I think that's what the problem is. So I'm taking the car to the garage as of right now to check it over, and yeah, big backstory on this one. So another YouTube video, another broken down car. It's a beautiful car, but it may be proving to be somewhat troublesome. So yeah, anyways,